In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a dashboard in Jira. Let's dive right into it to ensure that you effortlessly manage your Jira dashboards without any hassle. First, you'll need to navigate to your Jira homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find a section called Dashboards. Click on that and then select View All Dashboards. This will lead you to a list where all of your existing dashboards are accessible. It's an organized way to manage and view the dashboards you've created or have been shared with you. Now it's time to find the specific dashboard that you wish to delete. Browsing through the list, identify the dashboard that's no longer needed. Take your time to ensure that you're selecting the correct dashboard, as this process, while easy to execute, permanently places it in the trash. Once you've located the right dashboard, look for the More Actions icon associated with it. This icon looks like three dots typically found towards the right side of the dashboard name. Clicking on this will reveal several options related to managing your dashboard. From the revealed drop-down menu, you're going to want to select the Move to Trash option. This action is straightforward yet essential for keeping your space organized by clearing dashboards that are either outdated or no longer necessary. After choosing Move to Trash, you will encounter a confirmation dialog box. It's a safety feature designed to double check your decision. In this dialog, you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking on Move to Trash once more. This confirmation ensures that you don't accidentally delete a dashboard without intending to. It's a built-in safeguard, allowing you a moment to reconsider before proceeding with the deletion. And there you have it, a simple way to keep your Jira environment tidy and efficient by removing unwanted dashboards. Remember, the deleted dashboards are sent to the trash. So if you make a mistake, there's often a way to recover them depending on your Jira setup. Always check with your admin or the settings available to you for additional recovery options should you need them. By mastering these few steps, you'll maintain a lean and navigable dashboard area in Jira, making your project management tasks a smooth and clutter-free experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your Jira dashboards more effectively.